The rain began slowly. It did not fall heavily. It did not surprise anyone. It simply started and continued. Gray clouds covered the sky. They did not move fast. They stayed where they were. The medieval town looked softer in the rain. Stone walls grew darker. The ground became slightly wet. The streets were empty. No carts rolled through. No footsteps echoed. A small puddle formed near the road. Raindrops touched it gently, again and again. A wooden door remained closed. Water ran quietly along its edge. Nothing opened. Under a roof, a man stood still. He waited without impatience. A lantern hung nearby. It was not lit. It did not need to be. Inside a house, a bench rested near the wall. A cloak lay folded on it. The air smelled damp, not unpleasant, just present. A window was shut. Raindrops tapped softly against it, then tapped again. Time slowed further. The rain continued falling. The town accepted it. Nothing changed. Nothing needed to. And slowly, very slowly, the sound of rain became steady, gentle, and calming.